Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the TAP Portugal application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the App TAP Portugal section, click on the Configurations button. And then click on the Permissions button. And at the Push Notifications section, look for the Allow Notifications button. And if you want to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.